Many people who finally got their driver's license and drive their own car get very confused with the S and L on the gear. Today I'm bringing to you a video explaining every letter on the gear briefly. Hi everyone, welcome to Steering with Ahmed 007. So today we are going to be looking at the gear, the letters on the gear. So first of all, we have the letter P, which is used for parking. When you stop your car at a parking spot, you have to put the gear on P. The next letter we have is the letter R. The letter R is used for reversing. And yeah, when you're reversing the car, you have to put the gear on letter R. The next letter we have is the letter N. The letter N means you have to use that gear when your car is not moving, it's idle. The next letter on the gear is the letter D. The letter D is used when you're driving. And then after the letter D, we have the letter S. The letter S is used when you're going up or down the hills. This letter S is used for better acceleration and to increase the engine's braking. And then finally, we have the letter L, which helps in further increase of engine braking. And you can use this when you're going up or down the hills. So yeah, that's the end of today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning with me. And don't forget to subscribe to Steering with Ahmed and drop a like and share. Bye.